Hello, my name is Adriel, and I'll be your 3D modeling instructor. I teach 3D modeling, 3D animation, and 3D printing.
Perfect.
In my free time, I like to be creative. I like to create animations, 3D models. I like to paint. I like to draw, I like to sketch. Anything that involves me creating something, I love it. I don't have any pets myself, but I really like animals. They don't have to be furry little critters. They can be snakes, turtles, any reptile, even spiders. I just like nature, all the plants, all the trees, the flowers, and all the colors they bring us. I like to stay fit. I like to run. I like to lift weights. It's a good way to de-stress. Unfortunately, I also like food. Tacos, burritos, tortas, burgers. To be successful in my class, come in with the mindset that you can learn something, that you will learn it. You don't know something, just ask. Ask for help. Ask me, ask your classmates, ask in the discussions. Ask, and you shall receive. I was once a 3D modeling student, just like you. And even though now I get to teach 3D modeling, I'm still a student. I'm still learning. I'm learning every day. You mess up on a project, you haven't failed as long as you get up again. You don't really fail until you quit. The battle's never over. If you experience a setback, you have two ways of looking at it. You can see it as a failure, or you can see it as a learning experience. You see it as failure, well then, that's it, you fail. But you see it as a learning experience, hey, you learned, you gained something from it. Now you're better off. So come into my class with a growth mindset. Be optimistic, be positive, don't beat yourself up, and we will succeed.